Number 1, which of the following numbers has the digit 8 in a place value position that is 10 times the value of the digit 8 in the number 968,303,119? Number 2, how is the following number written in standard notation? Number 3, write the following number in standard form: 64 one-thousandths, 39 ones, 4 hundredths. Number 4, how is the following number represented in written notation? A, 115,803,007. B, 150,803,007. C, 115,083,007. D, 115,083,017.